Hello, viewers. Welcome to the Kindergarten Math Challenge. Are you ready to test your multiplication skills? What is 2 multiply 5? The answer is 10. What is 3 multiply 4? The answer is 12. What is 6 multiply 2? The answer is 12. What is 4 multiply 8? The answer is 32. What is 7 multiply 6? The answer is 42. What is 5 multiply 9? The answer is 45. What is 8 multiply 7? The answer is 56. What is 9 multiply 3? The answer is 27. What is 6 multiply 8? The answer is 48. What is 4 multiply 9? The answer is 36. What is 7 multiply 2? The answer is 14. What is 3 multiply 8? The answer is 24. What is 5 multiply 7? The answer is 35. What is 9 multiply 6? The answer is 54. What is 8 multiply 5? The answer is 40. What is 2 multiply 6? The answer is 12. What is 3 multiply 7? The answer is 21. What is 6 multiply 5? The answer is 30. What is 7 multiply 9? The answer is 63. What is 9 multiply 4? The answer is 36. What is 4 multiply 6? The answer is 24. What is 8 multiply 4? The answer is 32. What is 5 multiply 8? The answer is 40. What is 2 multiply 7? The answer is 14. What is 6 multiply 3? The answer is 18. What is 7 multiply 8? The answer is 56. What is 9 multiply 5? The answer is 45. What is 3 multiply 6? The answer is 18. What is 8 multiply 2? The answer is 16. What is 5 multiply 6? The answer is 30. What is 9 multiply 7? The answer is 63. What is 6 multiply 9? The answer is 54. What is 4 multiply 5? The answer is 20. What is 7 multiply 3? The answer is 21. What is 3 multiply 9? The answer is 27. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never missed a video.